how to use booking.com. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use booking.com, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now booking.com is basically a hotel reservation or flights or car rentals booking service. There is the booking.com website and there is the booking.com app, depending on what is it that you would like to use. Now first is, if you're trying to find a stay, maybe you're traveling around the city, you can simply go to the stays tab over here. Just look for the stays. If you're trying to, let's say, book a flight, then you can just go to the flights tab instead here, and from there you can simply select your destination and your starting point and then tap the search button. If you want to hire or rent a car, go to car hire option there and you can simply select your pickup location, the drop off location, then tap the search button there. Or if you're looking for other type of information such as your attraction or airport taxis, then you will be able to enter them and then make sure to book them. And that's all it takes to use booking.com as a beginner. So it's really quite simple. All you have to do is choose your starting point and your destination, tap on search, pay for it, and then you will be able to use them. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.